guys, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot verify payment information on Apple. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. From here, make sure your device is not connected to any VPN. If a VPN is enabled, turn it off completely. Using a VPN can cause Apple to block payment verification. Next, go back to General and tap Language and Region. Check that your region is set to your actual country. If the region is incorrect, change it to the correct one and confirm the update. After that, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top corner. Tap your Apple ID, then select Country or Region. Choose Change Country or Region and select your real country. Agree to the terms and save the changes. So that's basically how you can fix cannot verify payment information on Apple. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.